Hi crafters, I'm Georgia and welcome to Creative Moments by G. Today we are going to teach you 3 easy steps to create a YouTube thumbnail that will grab people's attention so that they'll click on your thumbnail so that you can share the beautiful projects that you make. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log on to canva.com. CANVA.com has a free version of this program that allows you to create beautiful thumbnails that are so easy, you'll wonder why you didn't do this before. The first thing you need to do when you're creating a thumbnail is to go ahead and click in this search bar and just type YouTube. A list of different projects will come up. We have YouTube thumbnail right there. And let's click on it. They provide you with so many templates. All you have to do is scroll down through here and select one of the templates that really in your mind pops and will get their attention. So let's just scroll down and see if we can find something that we really like. So let's go ahead and select this one. Step 2, add your picture. So we're going to select this girl right here by just clicking on it, and it puts a blue, very thin line around it. Now hit your delete button. Now we have to go grab our picture. You've already saved your picture on your laptop or your desktop, so let's go find it. Go over here to Uploads. Click on Upload Media and go to your device. I already have one on my desktop, so we're just going to scroll down until we find it, click on it, and click Open. And now Canva will open up this project and download it for you. And all you have to do is click on it, and it puts it right in your thumbnail. Now, just like Word, you can select this picture and make it bigger, make it smaller. You can move it around your thumbnail. We're going to add it right here, make it just a little bigger. And because we don't want that background in there, we're going to select our picture, click Effects, and click on Background Remover. And it does all the work for you. And now we have our project, whether it's a card, maybe you're doing a cooking show and you have your dish there that you want to present without the background. The next step you need to do is change your text. So we're going to click right here and we are going to type in Fun Fold, center it using these lines up here. We're going to click on this text and we're going to click on Easy. We're going to center it. And I think we're going to get rid of this text because it doesn't really serve a purpose. So just hit delete and it's completely gone. Now, as you can see, this color right here, purple, doesn't really match my project. So very quickly you can click and see it shows you the colors that we have. Well, we don't want that purple. So we're just going to select the purple and up comes the other colors you can select. So we are going to select a green. Oh, that looks good. And I don't think this color looks all that good. So let's maybe select a gold and see what that, oh, there you go. And because this is a gradient color, we're going to change out that one too. And maybe we'll put in a darker green. There we have it. So now we have the colors that are selected in our project, which makes it pop a little better, but we still need to do one more thing. We need to go ahead and brand this thumbnail. That's very important so that when they're looking at these different thumbnails, they can see something consistent about your channel and they can say, oh, that's their thumbnail. We click on Uploads because we've already uploaded our logo and we just go find Creative Moments by G. Double click on it and it puts it right inside your thumbnail. Now remember, once again, you can make it bigger, smaller, however big you want it. We have it right here. And now in 3 easy steps, we've created a thumbnail that will grab their attention, because you have to remember, people looking at thumbnails typically are using their mobile to look at the thumbnails and to decide if they want to click on that or not. So you want that title to be bold, to be concise, to really grab their attention. You want the picture to really grab their attention. You might want to put a picture of yourself. But if not, use your project, whether it's a cooking class, a card, or whatever project you're creating. We have created this thumbnail in 3 easy steps. The last thing you need to do is download so that you have it on your laptop, your desktop. Click on download, then click on download again. You want to open it up in Photos so that you can see what it's going to look like. And here's what it's going to look like. Now you can always get more detailed. You can put borders around it if you want. You could add some more sunflowers. But for our purposes today, we just want to get you started. I think this is a great thumbnail. Go ahead and close it. We've already saved it to our desktop. And make sure you give it a name up here. We're going to erase everything, but I'm going to put beginning thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. And over on File, click Save. And now you have saved your first thumbnail. You no longer have to have YouTube put a thumbnail on your channel that doesn't really reflect the beauty of your project. Well, we hope you enjoyed this quick 3-step process to creating that attention-grabbing thumbnail. If you did, go ahead, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.